babies, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in yet in another video. In today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from RiriHair, and this is their Blowout Kinky Straight unit, girl. Get into it. I am gonna come close so you guys can see all up in my business, okay? Now, you guys seen in the video, I did not glue this unit down at all. I went ahead and just grabbed I forgot the name, girl. I forgot the name. Can't think of the name right now. Can't think of the name. I will link it in the description box though. Secure your wig, especially for people who don't want to glue their wig down like myself. Nowadays, I'd rather not glue the wig down unless I really have to, and depending on the style. But girl, this unit is so cute. Like I mentioned, this is their Blowout straight wig, and it's definitely a blowout unit. Let me go ahead and pull up the specs of this unit so you guys can know more details of this beautiful, soft, like real soft wig, okay? Like I mentioned, this unit is from RiriHair, and this is their Blowout Kinky Straight unit. And this is their 18-inch wig. It's also 150 density, and the lace is a 13x6 lace front wig. And also the lace color is a light brown. I did notice that, and no worries, it looks pretty freaking good for it to be a light brown. I normally love me a little bit of a dark brown for some reason, but this one looks very natural, and the hair parting space is very nice. All I had to do is grab my concealer brush and apply a little bit on the hairline, and it looks very cute. Now this wig is pre-plucked, and also the knots are bleached. Because I'm a little extra, I usually go ahead and just pluck it even more. Honestly, with this unit, you don't need to pluck it. It looks very good without it being plucked, but I can tell the difference now after I've plucked it. It just looks more more or less of a wigish, to be honest. I'm able to tell that because I have the wig on my hand. You guys might not be able to tell on camera, but in person, I definitely felt like it needed a little bit of plucking, but nothing crazy. Now, I do have to mention this unit is so lightweight, like extremely lightweight for 150 density. I'm vibing with it. Now this unit does come with an elastic band, but girl, when I tell you I took that elastic band off this unit so quick because it was so tight on my head. You can take it off. For me, I just feel like it's unnecessary, especially a girl like myself who always gets headaches. I don't need something that's going to like put pressure on my head even more. But other than that, y'all, I'm really vibing with this wig. It's so cute. It's very natural looking, and it's extremely soft. This is not my first time ever rocking Riri units on my head. They're always coming through with very stunning, good quality units like this one. So let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. So yeah, my loves, as always, all the details to this unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm switching up for you guys here and there, doing some hair videos so y'all can see what y'all can get out here in the streets, okay? But as always, I love y'all so much. Now, Panasana, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beautiful.